Hello, friends, and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Dana, and today we're going to be learning about opposites. An opposite is something that is entirely different from something else. Let's get into that in a few minutes. Right now, let's go ahead and clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and say hello. Hello, everyone. All right, let's say goodbye to this beautiful background, walk into the library, and begin our story time. All right, everyone. I hope that you've had a chance to come by our library and pick up the Storytime kit for the month of May. If you haven't, we have plenty here, so come on by at any time and get yours. For today's craft, we are going to be learning about opposites. Whenever you pull out your paper that is stuck down inside, you're going to see something that looks like this. At the very, very top, you're going to write your name, and this says hands. So if I was doing this page, it would say Miss Dana's hands. Also inside your Storytime kit is a pack of crayons, glue, and 4 cotton balls. What you're going to do is you are going to take your dirty hands and you are going to color them something that will make them look like they are dirty. So if you've been playing in mud or out in the grass, your hands might be green or brown. If you've been playing with paint, that could be red or purple. Really, the possibilities are endless whenever your hands are dirty. So color them whatever color you think will make them look the most dirty. Down here for the clean, we're going to do something different. You're going to want to take your blue crayon and color your hands clean. Blue represents the water that we use when we clean our hands. It's very important to use warm water when we're cleaning our hands. Do you remember what else we use when we clean our hands? Soap, that's right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a cotton ball from your bag and you are going to tear it up into little pieces. Now then, you may want to take little tiny pieces and even tear them smaller than that. So what I'm going to do is take that apart and put it back down in my bag, and then take this and just tear it up. See what I'm doing there? Tear it up, okay? Then you're going to take your glue stick and glue the suds onto your clean hands. Make sure that you wash your hands with warm soap and water so that you do not spread germs. And then when you're all done, your hands should look nice and clean and not have any of the colors on them like you would have put on your dirty hands. I hope that you guys enjoyed our craft today. To get some more practice with opposites, you can use the book of the month from the May Storytime kit. This one is Puppy Dog Pal's Mission Fun. Now what you're going to do is you're going to skip this big first page and you're going to go right on to the second page to get your practice. Over here, you'll see that there's lots of flaps to lift. So if you look right here, this dog is running fast. And you can guess what the opposite of fast is. Do you know the opposite of fast? Slow, you're right. So when you lift the flap, you're going to see something that walks slowly, which is a turtle. We can do another one on this page too, and then you can do the rest at home so that they're a surprise for you. Let's see, which one would we like to do next? How about this one? This puppy dog pal is low. He's on the low end of the teeter-totter. What is the opposite of low? High, you're right. So when you lift the flap, you'll see that he went high. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you enjoy looking at these opposites this week and practicing at home. We are now going to be reading the book, Stanley's Opposites by William B. William B. authored this book, which means he wrote the words, and he is the illustrator, which means he drew the pictures. Let's begin. Stanley is asleep. Stanley is awake. Asleep and awake are opposites. Little Woo is in the water. Stanley is out of the water. In and out are opposites. Stanley's canoe is long. Little Woo's is short. Little Woo's window is open. Teddy's window is closed. Open and closed are opposites. Stanley's paint is full. Oh dear, Little Woo's is empty. Look, what did Little Woo do to Teddy? He spilled his paint on Teddy, didn't he? And Teddy doesn't look very happy about that either. Stanley's is full, but Little Woo's is empty. Little Woo's bike is in back. But Stanley's motorcycle is in front. Back and front are opposites. Gotta turn this page this way because look how high he is in the air. Stanley and Teddy are high. Little Woo is low. Stanley made a big snowman. Little Woo made a small snowman. Stanley's room is light. Stanley's room is dark. Good night, Stanley. Light and dark are also opposites. The end. I hope you enjoyed our book. All right, everyone. For our next activity, we're going to match words from this top row down to the bottom row. And we're going to see if we can find opposites. Are you ready? Let's go. Big. What is the opposite of big? The opposite of big is small. You're right. So let's see. Is it that one? No. That one? No. It's this one, isn't it? It has a small fish in it, and that one has a big fish in it. So I'm going to take that and put it way over here. Big and small. Now, for the next one, dirty. We just talked about this, didn't we? What is the opposite of dirty? Clean, you're right. So let's see, where on the bottom row is clean? Right here that is. You look, you can see that these rain boots are very clean, but those rain boots are very dirty. We're going to stick that right on top of there. Next, we're going to look at empty. Now, a gumball machine that's empty, that's just so sad, isn't it? Sad to run out of candy. So we're going to look for the one that is not empty. What is the opposite of empty? Full, right, good job. We're going to go ahead and take it and we're going to put it on top of empty. When you leave a light bulb on it wastes electricity if you're not using it. So when you leave a room, you're going to turn it off. Good job, everyone. So you're going to go over here and get your light bulb and place it on top. And there's only one left, isn't there? A nice cold drink of lemonade, or down here is hot cocoa complete with marshmallows. So the opposite of cold is hot. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed our matching game today. This book is called Big Bear, Small Mouse, and the authors are Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Throughout the book, there will be lots of opposites that match together. See if you can find them while I read. Let's begin. Mouse hops onto Bear. He is careful not to fall. Bear is big, big, big. Mouse is small, small, small. Small mouse, big bear. Bear and Mouse both wave to their friends as they go past. Badger moseys slowly, but Hare runs very fast. Slow Badger, fast Hare, small mouse, big bear. What's that up above? There's a flutter in the sky. Wren is flying low, while Owl is soaring high. There's a clatter in the glen. High Owl, low Wren, slow Badger, fast Hare, small Mouse, big Bear. Mole and Gopher tunnel up and pin the happy crowd. The sun sets on the quiet woods, but all the friends are loud. Quiet woods, loud friends, high Owl, low Wren, slow Badger, fast Hare, small Mouse, big Bear. Raven flies down from the sky. Look, here comes a storm. Outside it's getting wet and cold, but the lair is getting warm. Look over here at Bear. He's got a blanket around his shoulders and a cup of hot cocoa. He looks very cozy, doesn't he? All together, gathered there, cold night, warm lair, quiet woods, loud friends, high Owl, low Wren, slow Badger, fast Hare, small Mouse, big Bear. Look how much bigger Bear is than the rest of the friends. The end. Throughout the book, I know that you saw a lot of opposites. Coming back to the page that looks like this, we see that cold is the opposite of warm, or quiet is the opposite of loud. High is the opposite of low. Slow is the opposite of fast. And lastly, small is the opposite of big. I hope that you enjoyed this book. I am now going to be reading a poem called We Are Opposites. The author of this poem is unknown. Throughout the poem, I am going to be holding up a word, and you at home can tell me what the opposite of that word is. Let's go ahead and begin. We are opposites, and I'll tell you more. You say after, and I say before. Good job, boys and girls. I look up, and you look down. I like to walk, but you run to town. I say stop, and you say go. We are opposites. I told you so. I think it's hot. You say it's cold. I say it's new, and you say it's old. I come in, but you go out. We are opposites. Let's give it a shout. I am small as can be, but you are big, much bigger than me. We are opposites. It's like I said before, think of your own if you want any more. I hope you enjoyed our poem today. All right, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed our online story time today. Remember, if you haven't picked up an online story time kit for the month of May, you're more than welcome to come by our library at any time and pick yours up. We still have plenty left. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Go ahead and get your pointer fingers ready. Remember, this is friends, this is time, and this is say. Right. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. All right, have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.